Hello and welcome to a new Mautic video provided to you by HEM. Our topic is creating or adding users in Mautic. To do that, you have to click first on the setting wheel and then go for users. To add a new user to Mautic, you simply need to click on new and start filling the information. First name, last name. Of course, you have to decide on the role of the user, admissions or administrator. Give a username, add the email, and of course, add the password. You have to make sure that the published button is on. When done, you save and close. If you would like to disable the access for any user, you could simply disable the published button. Thank you very much for watching. For more Mautic videos, please visit our website www.higher-education-marketing.com.